done this before on the page, but I didn't set up the tripod to do it, so it's much different. So say if you're trying to work on your feet bicep, this is no pump. I'm gonna show y'all. So just take 40, you go count like that. My weight is 40 pounds. I can go up a little bit more, but this for the third work. You go like that. Make sure you're going all the way back, because what really helps is the stretch. If you stretch it, you can even go wider. You're working on the long head of the bicep. So when you make the double bicep pump, it's gonna look bigger. I'm gonna do this to failure since y'all seen what I look like beforehand. So I'm gonna show y'all after. And you have to do it to failure. You have to push yourself on this movement. This is my favorite cable movement for biceps. I told y'all before that the fitness curl is my favorite for the machine. The cables, this is my favorite for the biceps. I feel it already. And then you can even drop set it. See, this is what I'm looking like right now, but I'm gonna drop set it a little bit more. You can go down 30 to 20. I would start off like 50, go to 40, go to 30, go to 20. Drop it down to 30 and just keep it moving. I work with a lot of drop sets and supersets to make it much easier to build muscle quickly. But plus I love to feel the burn on the bicep. Just a little bit more. Just a little bit more. Ooh, I like that angle. I'm gonna go down just a little bit more because I like getting the whole set on the camera. Because we working. 20. Yeah, keep it moving. And then like this, I like to go up a little bit more. It's like it's a little lighter now, so I can go up a little bit more. It's at 20, and then now I can push it down to the last one. Push it down to 10. And then when you go down to 10, just press it out. It's the light, but if you're going, you're gonna feel this one pretty fast. Say if you're doing it correctly, you won't feel it. Ooh. This is what it's all about. Look. For the pump, other one, say if you got a negative, you can even just do it to one side to hit your negative. Look at that. I like that. Y'all see the peak, bro. Y'all see it. Let me do the other side too. Because I be trying to work both sides so they even out, bro. I love y'all. You're doing good. Marcus W. Thank you for all the likes, comments, subscriptions. We go up at least 40 a day, bro. Love y'all. Thank y'all. Marcus W.